Welcome to the Wild Gut Project. My name is Carrie, and this channel is all about being low FODMAP and vegan for irritable bowel syndrome. And today I have very recently moved into a flat to pet sit this cat, which is adorable. But it does mean the fridge is quite bare and it's the shops are closed. There's just a small corner shop, so I need to prep some food for the week. I thought this would be quite nice to do a kind of an improvised packed lunch prep with you, the things you can get in a corner shop. So let's go to that shop.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Oh, heavy. Okay. So I'm going to do some grilled vegetables. So peppers, courgette, aubergine, and then I'm going to maybe some carrot in there. Do a chickpea kind of salad with olives and parsley and a bit of mustard and some chopped cucumber. Some tomatoes which were in the fridge and needed using. So I'm just going to grill the veggies. In a processor, I've got loads of parsley. I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm adding in a heaped teaspoon of mustard. I hadn't quite thought through the olives because they have the stones in. I'm having to cut off the edges, so I'm just going to nibble on these bits afterwards. So this is the dressing. Moment of truth. Try some. Oh nice. I don't think that even needs salt and pepper. Winning combination. Okay, so I'm going to estimate about a quarter of a cup because I don't have the measurements here. I'd say about that, maybe. Yeah. And then I'm going to add a big dollop of the parsley and tomato mustard sauce stuff. So this is going to be the real kind of flavour element of the dish. So I'm just going to bring everything together now in a pot ready for my lunch tomorrow. So I've cooked up some very quick basmati rice. I've got the rice and chickpea flavour stuff. And then I'm just going to add in lots of the grilled aubergine, which we practically have unlimited. The low FODMAP portion size is huge, or the limit is. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of the courgette, which is more limited, topped with our roast pepper. Squish it down. That didn't look as pretty as I hoped. There we go. Ta-da!
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.
So then there's lots of this sauce and the chickpeas and veggies and rice. Yeah, I'm just going to pot that up a few more times, then I'm set for lunch for a few days. I hope this was useful. It was very much improvised, which I guess is the situation a lot of the time. You can't always be super prepared. So I hope that was kind of some inspiration, showing you some options. It was quite a well-stocked shop, to be fair. I was quite pleasantly surprised. But yeah, I'll see you next week with another video. I hope you have a good week. Bye.
To see the truth of